Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Tina. How are you doing? How's your day? I bought a box of Papermate Flair felt tip pens recently from Costco. We like to do an unboxing and product review video to show you guys how these pens work. Okay, let's get started. Front of the package. .7mm 20 felt tip pens, medium point. Back side of the package. Smear and fade resistant with reinforced points. Wouldn't bleed through paper. Made in Mexico. AP standard ASTM approved. Okay, I'm going to unbox it. Great, all the beautiful colors. I'm going to try them one by one. So I grab a pen here. It looks like this. I just want to show you how the felt tip look like. There is no name on each pen, so I will name it based on its color. Plum, burgundy, red, sangria, gray, wolf, bear, brown, soil color, dark purple, vanilla, purple, rose, red. Pomegranate seed. Hot pink, honey, yellow. Lemon, yellow. Grass, green. Peacock, green. Matcha, green. Lake, blue. Out of blue. So starry night blue. Last but not least, dark, oops, sky black. So in order to show you guys the true colors, I bought all of them out to natural lights under the sunlight, so this way you guys will be able to see the color, the true color, even better. One of the important reasons I bought this set, because it said on the packaging wouldn't bleed through paper. I would like to do a test on a napkin. We will see. Here's the napkin and here's a black pen I picked. So let's go to the back side. Wow, really not bad, even with a napkin. Okay, I think I played enough, and let's talk about pros and cons about this product. First, all the colors are bright and accurate. Compare on the packaging and inside when I draw the colors out. They have covers on the pen, and the pen is very lightweighted. The quality is great with the price I paid, and the felt tip is very smooth, as well as no awkward or any smell. No artificial smell on the pen. One thing I think it's missing is the uniqueness of all the pens. I do not see they name the pens, so I had to be creative and made the names for all these pens. If they can mark a name on each pen, it will be even better. Another thing is I could not see the volume in this pen, so I could not know how much still left, or do I need to replace by a new one soon or what. Let me show you example. Like this one, I know exactly maybe after a month or so I will need to purchase a new one to replace it. I think you got what I mean, right? Other than that, I think it's perfect for kids or artists to make drawings, to take notes. It's just a multiple use type of pen. I really enjoyed trying the colors as well. So, Costco price $11.99 before tax, after $3 off. Okay, that's about it. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and I will make more similar videos. Feel free to comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you so much.